While doing online business, succeeding on time is very important. And if you have noticed, sometimes online businesses are getting their success delayed, or sometimes they may not be getting success. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 8 points by following that you can increase expectancy of your success rate and you can speed up your success also. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is Asif Gede and please subscribe to this YouTube channel to watch more contents like this. And let's start today's video. The number one point is tools and software. If you want to success in online businesses, I must recommend you use tools and software to save your time and to save your energy also. Sometimes what we do, we try to do some things manually, that things are consuming our most important time that we can do in research. So use tools and software, very important. And if you don't know which tool to use, I am going to put a link in the description of this video where I have make a list of recommended tools if you are in online coaching business, so that you can know which tool to use and for what purpose that tool is. And next is outsource. If you are not comfortable in some task, right, it may be writing blog post, it may be editing video, so that you can outsource for your business, and that will also give you more time to focus on your research, to focus on your strategy, to focus on your content. And for outsourcing, I recommend you use Fiverr platform. There are certified freelancers, they are going to do your work professionally and on time. And number 3 point is social media. If you are doing online business right now, you can't ignore social media. You have to be present on social media to drive more leads, to drive more customers, and give your customers a chance to connect directly with you. I must recommend you create social media accounts, like you can create YouTube channel, you can create Instagram account, you can create Facebook page, so that people can follow you and people can watch what services you are providing. That will increase your presence in the market, and that is going to give you high success rate. And next point is to start building list. If you are not building list from the day one, you are missing out something. Use tools like ConvertKit, that is providing you free list building, free landing page, and that is also providing you free training how to build landing page. That is also giving you free challenges of 30 days how to grow your audience. By using that type of tool, you can increase your success rate absolutely, because if you having list, you having control over your customers. So start building list, and if you don't want to invest right now, use ConvertKit. You will find the link in the description of this video where you can build free landing page, and you will be provided with free training also to how to build landing page and how to grow your audiences. And next point is always provide valuable content. Don't try to misguide your audiences. Provide them valuable content if you are a creator. And by providing that valuable content, you are going to build reputation, you are going to build credibility for yourself, and that credibility will help you in growing fast and growing more and more. Next thing is attention to feedback. If your customers are giving you feedback, take that feedback seriously, because that feedback is real feedback you are getting. Sometimes you are evaluating yourself by yourself, but you may not be able to notice some things that your customers can notice, and that feedback is very important for you. Take that feedback seriously and try to improve according to that feedback. And next thing is progress versus perfection. If you are starting out right now, please focus on progress. Perfection will come over the time. If you are trying to get fast perfection, then progress, then you are going to get into the procrastination, and you may not start the business because you will not get perfection until unless you will start. So please start, make progress, perfection will come automatically all the time. And the last point of this video is right environment. Be in the right environment. Environment have a lot of things to do with your mindset. Environment have a lot of things to do with your productivity. So never be in the environment of lazy people. Change your circle if it is required, and try to read some books also. That will ignite your mind to take action, and if you are going to take action, you are going to get results absolutely. So these are the 8 points By following that, you can increase your online success rate. How you found these points? Please tell me in the comment box and like the video if you found these points useful. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to join my community Youth Info Hub where people are creating knowledge products, then you can find the link of free course how to monetize your knowledge in the description of this video, where you can learn how you can monetize your knowledge. That course will open the doors of new opportunity. So if you are a person who can share your knowledge, who can share your passion, then I recommend you to check out that course. Thanks for watching this video.